Class 2, English 1, Chapter 9, Comparisons, Part 2. Topic for today is Exercise B given on page number 37. Dear children, I hope you all have done Exercise A and understood the use of comparisons. Why we compare and how we compare, with how many people we compare, and how do we change the describing word according to our comparison with number of people or place or things. So when we compare with two people or two things, we use the describing word by adding er to the describing word. We learned that we learned many describing words like tall. When we compare it with another person, one more person, then it becomes taller. Slow will become slower when we compare it with another person or a thing. Then smart will become smarter. Strong will become stronger by adding er, and then we have to add one more word that is very important. Without that, the sentence will be incorrect or wrong. So how do we say it? We make the adjectives or the describing words by adding er, and then to make comparisons, and this comparison is between two people or two things, not with more than two. When it becomes when we are comparing with more than two, then another form of describing word will be used that we will learn in our later classes. When you go to higher classes, that is class 3 onwards, you will learn that. So right now you have to understand that describing words tell us more about the naming words, and when we want to describe this word in the describing word in the form of comparison between two, then we add er to the describing word and we use another word with it, that is than. Then for example, tall will become taller. So Ram is taller than Sita. Okay, so stronger, strong will become stronger. This door is stronger than that one. So there is a comparison between two things, this door and that door. So whenever we are comparing two things, we have to use this form of describing word with er to the by adding er to the describing word and than. So this is what we are going to apply, this rule we are going to apply in this exercise B. So let's read this exercise number instruction given here. Fill in the blanks by adding er to the words given in the bracket. So the first question is, describing word is given in the bracket and they are not comparing anything. When we use it in the blank, then we have to use it in the comparative form by making comparison. So it changes, the spelling changes to changes by when we add er, it becomes a new spelling. Okay, so number one, this room, what is the word given in the bracket? Cold. So this will be cold will become, by adding er, colder. This room is colder than that one. So why we are using colder here? Because we are comparing two things, this room with that room. Okay, so that is why we have to use er with the describing word. So correct answer here is colder. Cold, when there is no comparison, when we compare with another thing, then it becomes colder. Number 2, the dining table is, what is the describing word given in the bracket? Big. So big, comparative form will be bigger. So remember children, when we have this kind of adjectives where in some, not always, in some describing words, when it ends with the consonant, vowel and a consonant, the last letter is doubled. Not always, in most of the cases. Okay. So here B is a consonant, I is a vowel and G is a consonant. So the last letter here is G. So this G will be doubled and then we will write ER. So big, bigger. So the dining table is bigger than my study table. So the two things that are being compared here are dining table and study table. That is why we are using the ER form of the describing word. So bigger describing word will come here. Number 3, a park is dash than a garden. So we are comparing in this sentence park and garden. Comparison is being done. So the describing word large will become larger. So remember children, there is a E there already in this sentence, in this word. In the large word, E is there already. So here we don't have to put another E. We will just put one R there. That's it. Okay. So a park is larger than a garden. Number 4, grandmother is dash than mother. So we are comparing grandmother with mother. For what describing word? Old. So old will become older. So here we will add ER. Number 5, he is dash than me. So we are comparing he and me, and what is the describing word given here? Short. So short will become shorter. So he is shorter than me. Number 6, my fingers are dash than my toes. So we are describing, comparing finger and toes. And what is the describing word you are using to compare? Long. So when we are comparing two things, we have to use the comparative form, that is ER, with the letters ER. So long will become longer. Number 7, a feather is dash than a pen. So we are comparing feather with pen. And what is the describing word we are using? Light. The quality we are describing here is light, means not heavy. So its comparative form will be lighter. We have to add ER. So a feather is lighter than a pen. Number 8, Mohan is dash than Shyam. So we are comparing two people here, Mohan and Shyam. For what quality? For smart. When we compare these two people, we have to add ER with the describing word. So smart will become smarter. Mohan is smarter than Shyam. So do this work in your copy neatly and read as many number of times as you can, because it will help you in speaking also. That's all for today children. Take care.